How to create a Steam account on Android Mobile. First, open any web browser on your Android phone, like Chrome. Now, in the search bar, type Steam and search. Open the official Steam website. Once the website opens, tap the three lines menu in the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Login. Now, scroll down and tap Create an account. Enter your email address. Choose your country of residence. After that, tap Continue. Steam will send a verification email to your email address. Open your email and tap Verify my email address. Once your email is verified, go back to the Steam website. Now, enter a Steam account name. Remember, this name must be unique. Next, create a strong password and confirm it. That's it, your Steam account has been successfully created. Now you can log in and start using the Steam store on your Android phone.